Hi, sorry, we got too ambitious and we went a little far out where the network
is
went.
too poor here.
Yeah, the network is okay. We just stretched it a little bit. We took try to take advantage.
So,
But,
you want to see the scenery? This place is really beautiful. So this is our hotel. पीछे ये हमारे यहीं कहीं हमारा balcony है. This is the pool area and हम front camera off करके दिखाते हैं. So this is the pahadi, the ocean, beautiful yachts, and the coastal area. So we are in Taormina, Italy, Sicily. It's a part of Sicily, and it's beautiful. We are loving it here. I think Sicily. Generally, लोग इंडिया से यहाँ नहीं आते हैं travel way, but we wanted to do something different, run away, और हम लोग इसलिए बहुत लंबा travel करके यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं.
We've changed 3 flights to get here, and there are hardly any Indians around here.
Yeah.
And it's stunning.
So we traveled from Mumbai to Frankfurt. Frankfurt से हम फिर आए कहाँ?
Naples.
Naples से फिर हमने road travel किया. We took a car. हम हमारी कार से यहाँ तक आए हैं और अब बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है क्योंकि विवेक तो जो उन्हें पसंद है वो कर रहे हैं. He's driving around and हम लोग अलग-अलग जगह घूम कर आ रहे हैं.
Yeah. So but this video is not just about us. It is about you. It is to thank you guys. आप लोगों का बहुत important part रहा है हमें यहाँ तक लाने में. When I'm saying यहाँ तक, not Sicily, but 1 year. Basically, आपने हमारी स्टोरी की शुरुआत की आप लोगों ने और उसके बाद continue रखी.
You've seen us growing in this relationship.
Yes.
You're a very important part of our life, and we are very happy to share this special day with you all. We are enjoying a lot. We must tell you. हमने कुछ भी planned नहीं रखा है for a change. वरना हमेशा planned होता है, birthdays and anniversaries.
Yeah.
We have just kept it open. हम लोग बस कार लेके कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं. That's how we are celebrating it.
I think it's a good way to do it also. Planning and everything, especially when you're overseas, planning sometimes it becomes too disciplined then, and too cut के हमें ये करना है.
We realized जब अपने honeymoon पे गए थे, we realized that holiday में we can't stick to plans. हमें बस आराम करने में और अपने अंदाज में घूमने में मज़ा आता है. तो that's why हम लोग अब बिल्कुल unplanned trip enjoy कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. So also दूसरी चीज़ जो मैं यहाँ के खाने के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ, जो हम अलग-अलग चीज़ें ट्राई कर रहे हैं. Italian food, it's brilliant, but बहुत fattening होता है यार. बहुत fattening. नचबली में जितना भी हमने लूज किया था वो सब गेन करके आ रहे हैं एक हफ्ते में.
He always knew that मैं यहाँ आके सिर्फ खाने वाली हूँ and we are doing it. हम यहाँ पे बहुत amazing जो specialities हैं वो सब खा रहे हैं. Like yesterday we had this cannoli.
Yeah, which is a dessert. It's like
it's full of cheese.
It's a ricotta cheese, sweet cheese. और किसमें भुजिया में हमने गुजिया.
मैंने कहा ये इंडियन गुजिया है जिसके अंदर चीज भरा है. हम इंडिया में क्रीम रोल खाते हैं. It's
very similar to cream roll.
पिस्ताचियो, इसमें पिस्ताचियो बहुत मेन इंग्रेडिएंट होता है.
और हर चीज के सॉरी बोलो.
I was just trying to say कि पिस्ताचियो के यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा उपज होती है, कल्टीवेशन होता है. So pistachio and lemon. The smell here, as soon as you enter Sicily, अलग-अलग जगहों पे एक बहुत ही sweet smell है जो कि lemon and oranges की है.
अरे lemon का size आम के बराबर होता है. It's I mean we could not believe कि ये lemons हैं. They were huge, and then they do a lot of lemon alcohol. There's a lot of lime. Limoni. Yeah, they make a lot of different kind of liquors out of the lemon concentrate, and we'll try to take some back.
Yeah, for our friends, family.
For our friends who drink extensively and who like to try different things. And what else have we seen so far?
We've eaten a lot of things.
Yeah,
Lots
we've
of
eaten
different kinds of pastas,
pastas.
handmade pastas. Basically, they don't use ready-made pastas here. They make it at home.
Yeah.
So
Risotto, we were told something that came to us, a useful tip, that अगर आपको risotto 10 मिनट के अंदर कोई promise करता है, that means it's a pre-cooked risotto.
because it takes a lot of time to
It
cook. It's like our
apparently
Indian
takes-
biryani.
Yeah, it takes an hour to make a good risotto.
And it's a winter dish.
Yeah,
so
it's
you
mostly-
won't find it easily here.
Yes.
जैसे
yes.
हमें इंडिया में हर जगह रिसोतो इजीली मिल जाता है इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट्स पे,
Yeah.
वैसे यहाँ पे नहीं है.
Yeah.
And
And what else?
yesterday we went to an all vegetarian restaurant, Italian restaurant.
Yeah, which was very surprising.
Yeah.
It was not planned again. We were just walking down, trying to look for another place. But then this place offered, we just happened to ask, and they said, we are vegetarians. And because Divyanka is vegetarian, it was a bliss. Yeah, it was too hot.
बैठना है?
And what else have we done so far?
Oh,
We went to a place. It's called Savoca.
Savoca.
Where
Savoca.
Godfather was shot, which was amazing. We went to a bar. It's called Bar Vitelli. And Godfather, Al Pacino, the place where he sat and he ordered for drinks. I sat in the same chair and it
And
felt
he
so
held
good.
a gun also.
I held a gun, which the pictures we'll be posting very soon. And yeah, it was very special. Yeah, they had pictures of what's his name, Al Pacino and Marlon Brando everywhere.
मुझे तो नाम याद ही नहीं होते.
हाँ, वो अंकल अपने मूंछों
Oh,
वाले, हाँ, Godfather वाले अंकल. So yeah, and I'll show you the view from here. कहाँ गया?
View.
Where to switch cameras from there, no?
तुमको मैंने दिखाया
हाँ
कि हमारा वहाँ कहीं ऊपर रूम है.
हाँ, कहीं पे तो है.
यहाँ की खासियत पता है क्या है? दिस प्लेस टॉर्मिना, सो बेसिकली नीचे कोस्ट है, सी है, एंड ये पूरा पहाड़ पे ये पूरा सिटी बना हुआ है. टाउन, वेरी स्मॉल टाउन, ये पूरा पहाड़ पे बना है. एंड जितने भी यहाँ पे होटल्स हैं वो सब पहाड़ी पे ही स्टेप वाइज बने हैं. सो बेसिकली हमारा टॉप फ्लोर जो है उस पे हमारा रिसेप्शन है, नीचे डाउनवर्ड्स आते आते पहाड़ी पे ही सारे के सारे रूम्स बने हुए हैं. सो
इनफैक्ट जो हमारा इंटीरियर है, जो जहाँ पे दैट कॉरिडोर,
वहाँ पे पहाड़ दिखाई देता
वहाँ पे
है.
पहाड़, they've kept it like that only. See if I wait. Can you see the lift coming down? I don't know whether you can spot it. यहाँ से शायद नहीं, हाँ, यहाँ से दिखेगा नहीं.
सो अभी हमने आपसे अपनी सारी एनिवर्सरी स्पेशल हमारा जो दिन है वो हमने आपसे शेयर किया. एंड
It's too dark. I don't think they can see anything. Wait, let's come here. 2 मिनट के लिए हीट बर्दाश्त कर लो. मेरी 1 साल पुरानी पत्नी.
थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द लव पोरिंग इन. सॉरी वी आर कीपिंग इट क्वाइट लो. हम लोग आराम से बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
It's quite
because
unusual for us.
there are a lot of people sunbathing. If you want to see, I can show you that also. There you go.
So we don't want to disturb.
Yeah, so there are a lot of people just sleeping, having a good time, reading and stuff. So yeah, हम
Now-
Indians का नाम बदनाम नहीं करना चाहते.
और अब हम लोग यहाँ से जाएंगे. Hi, I can see a helicopter there.
Yeah, they won't be able to see. It's too faint,
Yeah.
too far. Okay, anyway, so guys, we have to rush now. We're very hungry. We'll grab a quick lunch, and then हम लोग जा रहे हैं shopping.
शॉपिंग.
Yes.
ये वाला मैंने प्लान किया आज.
Yeah.
जब विवेक सो रहे थे मैंने सोचा यार कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. हमने अभी तक कुछ प्लानिंग ही नहीं की है. हम लोग बड़े चिल्ड आउट हो रखे.
So-
सो आई थॉट ही लव्स शॉपिंग.
So my wife is taking me shopping today.
मैंने कहा, चलो
And to
shopping करते हैं.
good Italian brands. So we'll try and post a picture from there also. But this was just a small attempt of telling you guys how much we love you and how important, how integral you guys are a part of us. So yeah.
Yeah, so have a good day.
Yeah, you
And-
have. I think India में काफी late हो गया अभी. 7-8 बज गए होंगे. So you guys enjoy the evening and.
And sorry,
Grazie.
Grazie.
Yeah.
And what else? Prego.
Prego is so
Thank you.
funny thing we realized here was that before you say grazie, which is thank you in Italian, they say prego already, which means you're welcome. So उनको पता है कि यहाँ से thank you तो आने ही वाला है.
Yeah.
Taken for granted. So
So, prego. ऑलरेडी
Prego.
और बाय द वे हमें पता चला था काफ़ी सारे इटालियन फैंस भी हैं जो हमसे मिलना चाह रहे थे. सो आई होप वी बम्प इनटू ईच अदर. हम कल मेसीना गए थे एंड मैंने कहीं पढ़ा भी था, एक कमेंट किया, आई एम फ्रॉम मेसीना एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह देयर सम फैन लिविंग हियर कहीं पे. सो वुड लव टू मीट some of you kahin pe kabhi.
Yeah, we are heading to Amalfi Coast. If
Amalfi
any
Coast maybe to day after.
Yeah, we are heading to in a day or two, and if any
Positano.
of you Positano.
Positano, yes.
Yeah, Positano. And we're heading to Mount Etna tomorrow, which is volcanic.
Hopefully, we are not yet sure. Abhi
Yeah.
banaya nahi hai plan.
Let's see. Anyway, guys, we have to rush now. So thank you so much, and much love to all of you. Bye. Love you all.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then share it with your friends. You can check out our other video by clicking here. Tell us what video you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel 10 Degree Indian Facts for more such exciting videos.